just who am I again? Am I the pity that you gave? Within the night sky I craved. I fear I must have lost my name. The water's fallen still. Broke the depths that hide beneath too soon to spill. Without a single clue, the clouds obscure it too. Can I be fine? Until this day I knew I should be fine. The clouds obscure it too. Can anyone recall why I trip myself so I can fall? Just so I can't be saved by anyone at all. While staring at the skies around me, longing to finally be set free. I'm like the falling rain. I'll know that I fell to earth one day. I'm the rain, who knows I'll never find that place. But still I wish that I could suffer the pain of everyone so I'd understand. Falling rain, pouring out the world now once again. While I keep chasing rising suns and all my pain, I'll find what's missing deep in me, because this rain shall become like the sea. I'm like the falling rain. Before the ending, don't forget the scenes we practiced deep in our regret. Now the sea is calmer, here we stand face to face, different sceneries, but still the skies unchanged and our answers stay just the same.